Creating present perfect questions. Questions for present perfect. Structure. The structure is this way. We use an auxiliary have, or has, depending on the subject. According to this, we have the subjects here: I, you, we, they, he, she, it. After the subject, we use the verb in participle. The next thing is a complement, and finally the question mark. Let's write one example. I Have I failed the exam? Have I failed the exam? The answer may be yes, you have, or no, you haven't. Question number 2. Have you visited Athletic School? Have you visited Athletic School? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Have we met before? Have we met before? Yes, we have. No, we haven't. Have they stolen something? Have they stolen something? Yes, they have. Negative, no, they haven't. Next question. Has he sung at a concert? Has he sung at a concert? Yes, he has, or no, he hasn't. Next question. Has she drunk alcohol? Has she drunk alcohol? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. The last question is about it. But remember, we can use it, or a thing, or an animal, or any object we are talking about. In this case, we will use the cat. Has the cat caught a mouse? Has the cat caught a mouse? Yes, it has. Negative answer, no, it hasn't. Okay, my dear friends, well, that's all about present perfect question form. If you want to watch the next video, please click there where the arrow points. See you in the next video.